I just want to give a shout out this week to a wood turner out there, and a lot of you out there probably know him, and his name is Carl Jacobson. But some new turners out there probably won't know him, and he's probably come to my channel and you don't know of him. But Carl Jacobson his name is, and he's around on YouTube as long as well, he's been around longer than any of us, right? But I can tell you, if you're new to wood turning and you want to learn about wood turning, go over and check out his channel, because he has another channel on the side, and it shows you how to hold tools, techniques, and how to set your chuck up, what way to chuck your bowls, you name it, anything you want to know about wood turning. And if you ask this man a question, he will answer it. You ask him anything, he will do it for you. He'll go out of his way to help anybody. He's the most decentest guy ever you could ever meet on YouTube. So really, subscribe to his channel. He has over 250 videos on YouTube for wood turning, and he's absolutely amazing wood turner, an amazing amount of videos. So I'm going to put a link down below here, right here. Go and check him out. He's well worth subscribing to, and a lot of you probably already have him, but if you haven't, put him in the box there. Okay, so this week's project is going to be these little guys here, right? Going to be making some pads up for power sanding. So it's basically, there's no real project involved. It's going to be a few of these, quick project. I have to make up some of these. These are all burnt out, right? So it says I'll shoot a video of it being made, right? So I'll just take you over the lathe here, and I'll take you through the steps and see how I'm going to do them. Okay? Okay, I have a piece of beech in the lathe, and I have it in the chuck, and I'm just going to rough it into a cylinder, and I'll take you through the steps as I go. I won't really talk about it. I'll just rough it into a cylinder and take you through the stages. The size, the discs are 50mm, 2 inches. I'm going to take it down to 45 on the timber, so just have a 45mm. I keep the wood smaller than the actual disc, and make the sponge bigger. Okay, before I go any further, now I have the piece made roughly to the shape that I want. This will be the back of it, like so. So what I did was I bought a packet of these cheap bits here. They were €3 I think, and what I was after, I wanted these long ones here because that's what I was after. And these are the ones that I'm after, so this is what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to drill a hole here with a 6mm drill bit into the back of this. Then I'm going to put this piece into the Jacob's chuck, and I'm going to push it into the piece here with the tailstock, and we use that as a press to press it in with some epoxy glue on the end of it. And then I'm going to leave it. Well, I'm going to part it off then here, leave it and let it dry. And then when it's dry, I can put it in a Jacob's chuck back on the lathe and through up the face of it. And then stick the Velcro on it, and that'll be it, it'll be done. I'm going to make up a couple of them while I'm doing. I hope to get 4 out of this anyway, this piece of wood here. Okay, So I'm going to take you through how I make them anyway. So I have my drill bit marked to the depth that I want, so I'm just going to drill this. Okay, now let's put some epoxy on this. Probably go all over my lathe. Let's see, can I force it into it? Should be able to. Yes, right down the top of my tool handle. Okay, that's that. Just going to part it off now and let it dry. Okay, I put a Jacob's chuck in the headstock, put the piece in the chuck there, and there they are. And you can see now they're off balance. I have this in the tailstock here. I'm going to bring that up to it, nice and gentle there, just to hold it, just to keep it steady. And I'm going to balance them back up now. You can see the wood now. While it's been drying, it's at it, probably just going out of balance, and I'm just going to throw them up now nice and give them a little trim now with the chisel. And that's the next stage. Just give them a quick trim. See how much they're off there. That's the way they're going to be in your drill now when they're running. So just pick it up there. Give them a little. Now I'm just going to give them a quick wipe of finish. Just on the outside, I don't want any on the inside of it there. Okay. We have pound shops or euro shops here. You get these kneeling pads, or you can get this foam for kneeling on for gardening, or you can get rolls of this here for camping and stuff. You can double it up, and basically that's what I got. It was one of them. The last time I done these, I got a roll actually, and I made up a few small ones. But I picked this one up there recently, and it seems to be the one. It's a bit heavier, it's a bit thicker actually. So I just cut it out with the scissors. And you can buy, I normally buy rolls of Velcro, but I came across this now. I was just lucky, and it actually is a disc of Velcro, and it's the exact size. And I came across this 2 years ago, and I don't even remember where I got it, and I've never seen it since. And I should have bought a load of it, because I only bought 2 sheets of it. And the Velcro is actually the exact same size, 50mm, the same size as the bloody sanding discs. And I've never seen it ever again. I don't even know what shop we got it in. So I'll just stick that onto that. And I'm going to just put a dab of glue on that and stick it on there, and that'll be it, done. And then I'm going to hold that up there with the, hold that on there like that, and then I'm going to get the skew and then cut that off there with the skew. Because I don't have a centre now. Okay, let it dry, and I'm going to just trim it off now with the skew. Give it a nice bit of speed and see how it cuts. That'll be enough for that, I won't go anymore. Start playing around with that. Open it up. That's one. There you go. One thing about this one I like is because it's long and you'll be able to get in the bottom of something that's a bit longer. You know, there's a bit of length in it there to get into the bottom of a bowl. It's nice and soft, that one too. Okay. Okay, last one. Just trim it up. Last one on the way. That's it. The last one. There you go, look at that one. I put the screwdriver in that end. That'll be a handy little screwdriver anyway. Or bloopers. So hopefully they'll come in handy. I made up 2, 3, 4, 5 of them now, so I won't run out. Oop. I won't run out of them. Okay. Huh? At least if I burn out one, I'll always have a spare. I'll have to make a little hole now on the shelf and put them all sitting in it. Let the dust build up on them. So I have a thick one, 2 thick ones, a thin one, and say a medium. So we can try them now and see how they are with the pressure on them. Okay. Yep.
Okay. See you then.
Doodly do. Start it up again. And then I'm going to... There you go, here's a blooper. Look. Blank head. Okay, I'm going to... Here we go. Where am I? Right, what I'm going to do is... Probably have to make it too small now. Just put a bit of sandpaper up against it. I did. I made it too small, did you believe that? Oh, look. That's another mess up. Well, Take that one off and glue another one on. This works. Camera focus ain't working on the camera, so I don't know, just don't know. This is what you're up against doing these videos. Out in the shed talking to yourself, trying to get a camera working, trying to get a lane, trying to do a project, going off your trolley. Okay, so this week's project, what did I say there? This week's project. Okay, this week's